Alright, Eric here, the 427 small block Ford. The description of this combination has got a set of our CNC heads on it. Custom ground hydraulic roller, got the full end manifold, all throttle body, Holley Terminator X brake system, Dyno front end. Make sure it all functions for you. Put some oil can. We'll go in there and make a run, see if it does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,600, 461 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 527, peak horsepower 571, good and flat there. We're at a 575, so our front end on it, that's an easy 15. So what we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you. Show you a couple of things. When you receive it, you'll find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card. It is full of technical information. On the engine will be this tag. You'll have your engine numbers, some other specs. Highly recommend if you need anything from us, that engine number is the easiest way to look you up. Flip it over, it's got a QR code, that'll take you some more tech stuff. Have a great day.